Hey, welcome! I've got a fantastic number puzzle for you today. Now, it might look a little tricky at first, but trust me, once you spot the hidden pattern, you'll wonder how you ever missed it. Let's see if we can crack this thing together.
All right, here we go. Take a look at this grid. We've got 8 numbers sitting around the outside, and then a big old question mark right in the center. The challenge is pretty straightforward. What number is supposed to be in the middle?
Now, before I give away the secret, why don't you give it a shot? Seriously, go ahead and pause right here, take a good look at those numbers, and see if you can figure out the logic behind it all.
Okay, ready to put on our detective hats? Let's break this down. With any good puzzle, the first move is always to start looking for some kind of relationship between the numbers. Let's start up in the top left corner and just kind of move clockwise.
So what if we check the difference between the numbers as we move around? Okay, so 15 minus 6 gives us 9. The next one, 23 minus 15, that's 8. Then we have 30 minus 23, which is 7, and 36 minus 30, that's 6. Interesting.
Whoa! Hang on. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? It really looks like the difference between the numbers is dropping by 1 each time we move to the next spot. Let's keep going just to be sure. We gotta see if this theory holds up. Okay, let's keep going and see if our theory is solid. Next up, 41 minus 36. Yep, that's 5. Then 45 minus 41, that's 4. And the last one on the outside, 48 minus 45 is 3. Yes, it works perfectly. The pattern is totally consistent all the way around. And just like that, the pattern is revealed. What looked like a random jumble of numbers is actually connected by this super simple, really elegant countdown. We've cracked it.
I mean, just look at how neat that is. When you figure out the difference between each number and the one next to it, moving clockwise, you get this perfect sequence. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. It's so satisfying when a puzzle just clicks into place like that, isn't it?
You know what? We've got to give this pattern a name. Let's call it the clockwise countdown. It's the one simple rule that runs this whole puzzle. As you move around the grid, the difference between the numbers just ticks down by 1 every single time. Okay, we've cracked the code. Now comes the easy part, the grand finale. Since we know the pattern, all we have to do is apply that same logic one last time to find our missing number. So think about it. Our countdown goes 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. What's the next logical number in that line?
It's got to be 2, right? Of course it is. So what does that mean? It means the gap between our very last number on the outside, 48, and that mystery number in the middle has to be 2. So the center number minus 48 equals 2.
And so this entire puzzle, all those numbers, it all comes down to one simple bit of math. What is 48 plus 2?
Boom. 50. That's our missing number. By just being a little methodical and looking for the connections, we found the logic hidden inside. Isn't that satisfying? Puzzle solved. You know, it's pretty cool how something that looks so random and complicated can have such a simple, beautiful solution hidden inside.